Welcome to Our Stock Trades. I have some breaking news for you guys. We're going to be talking about Palantir. Bank of America increased Palantir's price target, calling that the data is essentially new bullets. I believe Kevin O'Leary said, data is the new gold, right? But what they're saying in terms of new bullets is that wars now are being fought through cybersecurity attacks. Back in the day, they were used bullets. I mean, the people still use bullets now. But essentially, it's all about cybersecurity attacks and making sure your country has the technology to be able to withstand it. But anywho, they're saying that Palantir is a buy rating. It has a buy rating and a $13 price target. Now, if you were to go in to our long-term price target, where I did an intrinsic value calculation on Palantir, we can go in and we can see that our Palantir is a hold. We give a price target of $15, and the bull is $17.68, base is $12, and the bear is $8.84 with a $15 price target. So Bank of America is definitely in line with our price target. Extremely happy. They call the 30%. They essentially hit what we hit directly on the tip of what we're talking about here. So long story short, they're saying that this 30% growth rate is going to help them expand with their commercial, which is their Foundry, and also their government, which is their Gotham platform. Not only are they going to expand into the United States military, they're going to also go into the allied forces, because there's a lot of threats emerging: Russia, China, Iran, North Korea, right? To name a few. And a big one here is earlier this month, they were awarded $54 million contract for the U.S. Space Systems Command. So they're definitely well diversified within using their platform. And we're entering the fourth industrial revolution. For people that don't know, I'm in healthcare, and I'm already starting to see the shift between genomics and using artificial intelligent technology to not only help with patient systems and records, but also allow, there's a study done at Mayo right now up in Scottsdale, and there is a physician. He's a radiologist, and he's using artificial intelligent technology from the Google Cloud to essentially look at X-rays. And instead of having a radiologist in, let's say, in Africa, we essentially are building an AI system that scans the a specific X-ray sheet and are able to diagnose it and do pattern recognition without having a full-on radiologist in historically marginalized areas. Another usage of Palantir, I was at a talk in Mayo Clinic, Rochester, Minnesota, and they were in, there was a lab meeting. I believe a physician who developed some biomarkers was talking about how Palantir could help sort the data, the enormous data. So we're headed into the fourth industrial revolution, and Palantir is able to insert itself in multiple avenues. But to go into here really quickly, we're going to go in and analyze institutions directly. So we have a bunch of artificial intelligent technology, part of our way we do analysis in our private Discord in our website, allstocktrades.com. But we can see here that institutional shares for Palantir is 660 million shares. There's approximately 2 billion. So if you were to take that division, institutions own approximately 33% of the company. And with that 33%, 6 months from this ownership increase, institutional owners increased by 19.85%. So 20% increase, and they own 33%. So a lot of institutions have been buying up Palantir. So this is really good to hear. We're finally, I would say, people are starting to see this not so black box company. And so don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, comment down what you think about Palantir, and what do you think it's going to, what's the price target for your guys' analysis? And I would love to hear from that. Anywho, God bless you, and I'll see you on the next one.